Dear student, now another program that I am going to show you to print the sum of a 10 natural number. Natural number for a range that I have given here. You can increase your range, you can decrease the range, whatever you want that you can do. What has been done? See here, the sum equals to 0. Then iterations has been done. For iterations means running the thing again and again, doing the loop executed again and again. So for val in range 1 comma 11, then calculating sum equals to sum plus val, display the sum of 10 natural number is that. Okay, so sum of a 10 natural number. Variable to be stored. That means this particular sum. I have taken this sum for what purpose? I have written here at the top. Variable to store the sum. That means where I store the sum. I need one variable. That variable I declare. After declaring the variable, I need to run the thing again and again. So I cannot write it for 10 times. If it is 20, then I cannot write it for 20 times. If it is 30, I can write it for 30 times. If it is 1000, I can write for 30 times. So how to come out from that? To come out from that is a for loop. This loop is a for loop. So for val in range what 1 comma 11. Okay, so from 1 to, that means actually it will go how much? Actually it will go up to 10, because I have said you that starting position and ending position, when you reach the ending position, before of that ending position it will going to take the value and it will going to stop. So before of the ending position is what? It is taking the value and it will going to stop. Therefore it has, I need to print 10, so I have given here 11. Okay, so sum equals to sum plus val. Now what happened? The sum of the natural number is sum. Okay, so this is the thing where it will going to print out the values, and see here for 10 natural numbers is 55. Okay, so sum of first 10 natural number is 55. So as the first 10 natural number is 55 is there, then what it will going to find it, that this particular structure, this particular thing will going to have its what? Original form. Okay, that means you can take any type of natural number, you can print any pattern of natural number, and those the natural number what are there, each and every natural number will going to have its own execution pattern. Clear? So when it will going to have its own execution pattern, that particular execution pattern is what? The pattern where you will going to see the additions of the number. You can you can increase the natural number series, and based on increment the value, generally the value will going to increase. Okay, so this is how you can do the particular structure. You can build the particular structure and you can implement it. Okay, see the program very nicely. For val in range, value in range for what? 1 to 11. Because why? Because I need up to 10 values, so I have given one more part extra. Either else if I give 10, it will go up to 9 and it will going to stop. So for I have given 11, so it will go up to 10 and then it will stop. Now calculating what? Calculating sum equals to sum plus val. That means what is the value of sum? Sum value is 0. 0 plus val. What is the value of val? Val value is 1. Okay, val value is 1. So 0 plus 1 it will going to do. Clear? Next what it will going to do again, then it will come out and then it will going to, I can check it, is it true or false. Then if it is so, then it will going to go for the next one. So next value is 2. That means here already 1 is stored. 1 plus 2, that means 3. Next one is 3 will come. 3 plus 3 will be 6. So this way the thing will going to increase and we will going to get a value. You can do it in your copy also, that how the addition comes of the natural numbers. Okay, so this is the thing that you can find and you can implement, that how this particular thing comes and how this particular thing will be executed in a part of a what? Natural number series. Okay, so in this natural number series you are implementing here what? Implementing here the different series from starting from 1. You can change this particular series format also. If you want, you can change the series format, you can give any other series format, and from